What's up guys, I am Mike. And welcome back to Crypto Moon. And in today's video, we are going to talk about another high potential project called Krystal. But before we begin, please be advised by our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. What is Krystal? Being players in the FinTech and blockchain industry for more than 5 years, we understand the barriers and pain points users face when navigating the Defy space. To help combat such complexities, we developed Krystal, a one-stop platform to access all your favorite Defy services. With Krystal, you can store digital assets on multiple blockchains, exchange tokens at the best rates, benefit from low gas fees and save/lend/supply tokens to earn interest. Support multiple chains. Krystal is a multi-chain platform which currently supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Cronos and Phantom. Support for other chains will arrive soon. Switching chains is a simple 2-click process. You control your funds in Krystal. In a typical custodial wallet, the private key is managed by the service provider, and you are first required to deposit your funds before you can conduct any transactions. With Krystal, you don't need to do that because Krystal is non-custodial. Your private keys and funds are always in your control. Just connect your wallet to enjoy all of Krystal's services. If you don't have a wallet, create a wallet easily on Krystal. Earn. Don't want to take risk from the volatility of the market? In that case, Krystal's Earn service is the best choice for you. Krystal queries our integrated lending platforms, Aave, Compound etc., and presents you a list of interest rates. Decide which platform you want to supply your tokens on. Our user-friendly UI makes it easy for you to set up and enjoy your earned interest. Swap. Krystal is integrated with various liquidity protocols on different chains, such as Kyber Network and Uniswap, on Ethereum, and PancakeSwap, on BSC, to ensure the best rates for your token swaps. More protocols will continue to be integrated in the future to bring you the best rates for even more tokens. Krystal Point. You earn Krystal Points, KP, from conducting any trades on Krystal, on any of our supported chains. Earned KP can then be converted to native currencies of the chain you earned it on and transferred into your wallets. 1 KP is equivalent to 0.0001 ETH, on Ethereum, 0.0001 BNB, on BSC, 0.0001 Matic, on Polygon, so on and so forth. Through our referral program, staking, and events like retweet campaigns, learn and earn, quests etc., we offer you many ways to accrue KP. Wait no longer, use Krystal and start earning KP now. Referral Program. Invite your friends to download the Krystal mobile app and enter your unique referral code when they create/import their wallet. Every time your friend trades on Krystal, you will earn Krystal Points. In order to earn referral rewards, simply 1. Install Krystal iOS or Android. 2. Create or import your wallet onto Krystal. 3. Go to explore Krystal Points. You will see your 5 unique referral codes. 4. Pick any one you like and share it with your friends. 5. Your friends downloads Krystal and enters your referral code. 6. Sit back, relax, and earn KP every time your friend trades. The gateway to the Defy space lies in your palm. Krystal mobile app allows you manage your portfolio and trade on the go anytime and anywhere. We've worked hard to build an intuitive and easily navigable interface, where you can enjoy all of Krystal's functions available on desktop, conveniently on your mobile. And now, let us visit its Twitter page. As we can see here on its pinned tweet that states, Krystal Streaks returns. $10,000 in prizes to be won. To win, swap on Krystal. At least once a day, for 4 consecutive days. Any token, $10 and above. Any chain, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Cronos. 22 ND of March 12 o'clock to the 25th, 23:59 GMT +8. Krystal joined Twitter back at September 2018 and currently has 53.4K followers. And for more updates about Krystal's latest tweets, Make sure follow them and to turn on notifications. Here are some of its investors. Hashed, Crypto.com, Capital, Signum Capital, and many more. Some of its partners are PancakeSwap, Compound, Etheria, Kredos Ventures, and many more. And that is all for Krystal. Come and visit our channel, subscribe and watch out for our next videos here at Crypto Moon. Thank you for watching.